of the sons of Charlemagne conquered this area until the level of underneath Barcelona in 801. And Barcelona, why ended up being the capital? Because it was the city in the border. Yes? All there's a troop over there. Let's do the following.
Beautiful, no? This is a medieval town of Besalu.
Gather here around. The following stop will be in that square down there where there's a veranda, see, which is the Jewish quarter, which, by the way, let me show you. Then, can you see the picture, by the way? It is to walk alongside the wall. Those walls are actually quite gone, as you can tell. See? Why? Those are from the 1200s. Cultural areas of the north, the mountains, and also the area where the border with France.
We are walking to Besalu. It's a beautiful medieval village. Gate, another gate, the second gate.
Yeah, it's iron.
Look at this. Oh, okay, so I can take a video with you. Look at the souvenir shops. Beautiful places. A lot of gift shops. Oh. A lot of things to buy here at Besalu.
Know what it means? Sepharad. Sepharad is the people that the Jewish people living in Spain expelled by the Catholic kings in the 1492. Down by the street, behind the good things that products are local. They are good quality. If you want to buy some bread, some pastries here, there's a beautiful bakery, okay? Ours doesn't allow to distribute the way very much efficiently, therefore the walls have to be thick, small windows, protected with not glass, with a thin marble called alabastra. That
I don't know where it is though. This one? Oh, maybe this one, right? Oh yeah. Yeah, this one. Because like those things. This one, right? Okay. That's this one. This is the Abbey of Sant Pere. Here, there's Sant Pere. This is a church from the medieval ages. Oh, it liked a lot. It liked it a lot already. They just very cute. Beautiful shop. They have their pastries here. Look at that. Hola.
Buen día.
You want
No.
croissant? You want croissant, Josh?
Or
Yes, just one croissant.
un croissant. And aquí is mini, like a small croissant or something inside.
Esto es mantequilla.
Mantequilla,
Okay.
okay.
Pasa mantequilla.
Sí, you
One,
want?
yeah, one.
Dice.
Oh, yeah,
Pide
two.
dos, por favor.
Que lleva, es de mantequilla, pero lleva Nutella dentro.
Oh, you want Nutella?
yes.
Un Nutella, un mantequilla solamente, sí.
¿Qué más?
This was the spread. Oh my, look at the spread. They look very yummy. Having croissant at this. Yummy croissant.
Yes.
Sí.
Adjust. This is the place.
Ano ba yung isa? What? Oh, the helmet?
The Crusaders helmet. Which one?
It's plastic. But it's not gonna fit our luggage.
It will. Tabago.
You want to try it on?
fit my head. Which one do you like? There are two styles. Oh.
I think the silver, no?
Oh.
Ooh.
You like that? Products from Besalú.
Muy bien.
Y era en la Brigada Internacional, en la Guerra Civil, el George Orwell.
Ah, vale.
What did you get from the store, Josh? The helmet. That is L7 Best. We are going back to the
What time is it, baby? Are you at your watch? We're walking on one of the streets in Besalú.
That's like, look at the door, Daddy. It's like a very old door now. Oh, it's a gallery. It's an art gallery. Oh, look at that corner there too. Hi. Josh, this way, Josh. This way.
You want to buy something there?
Going back to the bus. This is the bridge. Is this the one? Look at these cute kids.
Did you actually know I got up here without even looking?
Yeah, like for the engine and
That's our van.
so because they were some specifications. So it let me have the olive oil.
Yeah, of
So
course.
it's not for industrial purposes.
The flower
We
field.
also grow canola. My beautiful people. So let's go. Ah, vale.
Canola.
Half inhabited.